let's go make play-doh. The ingredients are flour, soil, and oil. We need 2 spoons of flour, then we need 1 spoon of soil. Now we need oil. Then mix it. Now I'm adding color to my plate. Now I'm adding yellow to my sister's plate. Here we go. And here we go. Add a little bit of water and mix it. My plate is ready to play now. It's very super soft to touch. It's super soft. We need to do a rolling pin. A rolling pin, so we are rolling with the pencils. Now we are cutting in shapes. Look, I got a perfect square. I hope you love my video. Subscribe my channel. Bye.